UC San Diego is one of the largest public universities, and between the thousands of classes that it offers, enrollment can be a bit overwhelming. To make matters worse, each class comes with its own prerequisites, which can make it seem like a puzzle to even be eligible for the classes you want. So to help me plan for the fall quarter, I downloaded UCSD's entire catalog to create a visualization. This is every class at UCSD. Each node on the graph represents a class. Hovering on or dragging a node reveals its connected classes. But what does it mean for a class to be connected? Clicking on it reveals the description of the class, with other class names highlighted in purple. Anytime the description of one class leads to another class, a connection is formed on the graph. Just by taking a quick look, you can see the STEM classes clustered in the middle, and a less dense ring of humanities surrounding it. Math tends to be the center since it connects engineering, physics, econ, chemistry, and many others. One advantage of using the node graph is that it allows you to work forwards and not backwards. For example, if you want to take a class on machine learning, you can look at the prerequisites to see that you will need a stats class. However, if you've just taken a stats class and you're not sure what to enroll in next, you can find it on the graph and see that it also leads to econ, business, electrical engineering, and more advanced math classes. You can add a search term here to include only relevant classes. I have all the classes stored in folders by department. Don't worry if you don't immediately see the class you're looking for. The department codes and class codes don't always match up. For example, there are many types of classes in the theater department. You can search for it here. You can also use Obsidian to make flowcharts. Just add a new canvas and search for the classes you want. This is one I made to help me with computer science. I'll include it in the download. There are a couple significant limitations here though. I wasn't able to include every class. The linguistics department formatted their classes differently, so the script I wrote to download and format the data didn't work. If I end up making a new version for linguistics, I'll add it in the description. Furthermore, these medical-related departments did not have their classes publicly available, so I couldn't get those either. It's also worth mentioning that this data is as of the fall 2023 quarter, but I could update it in the future. Even with the most recent data, there's still a lot of references to classes that don't exist. Take for example Math 20F, which is now called Math 18. To open this on your own computer, first download the free app Obsidian MD, which I'll link in the description. Then open the Google Drive link and download and extract the zip folder. In Obsidian, make a new vault and choose and remember the location. Then just add the contents of the zip folder. The first time you open this, it will take a while to do the indexing, but this only happens once. I hope this can help some of you plan your classes. See you later.